Machiegni kendo johala moingo 500 manogole kuondegi mag timo ohala mondo gichiw thuolo mar gero chiro manyasani koro nyalo chako ohala e chiro manyien ma Kericho. Chiro no manigi kar chiemo ne oyaw ayanga kotelne kod gavana ma Kericho Dr. Eric Mutai. Jotelo makanyo kar kamano koni sirikal kaunti mondo we mibadhi e chenro mar chiwo kuonde ohala kawachore ni nitie jokanyo ma sirikal kaunti maketho chenro no. Gikwayo ni mondo mi johala manosebet kakale midhiero mar koth mapek e thuolo ma utegi ne okethi mondo mi thuolo mokwongo.
Kidogo tumanze isoko. The next round na wakujia watu wa Chwakani kuhakikisha kwamba mko na plani mzuri ya kufanya kazi. Ndio wakati unaona kitanda kama ile, wakati unaunda hii mvua haitawanyeshea na tawajia mahali mzuri na tuweke kabros mzuri ufanyie kazi yako mzuri.
Today we have a president who has united our country. The story of Nandi County in terms of development is the story of Kakamega County. It is the story of Migori, it is the story of Kwale, it is the same story in Garissa and every part of our country. We have a president who has brought our country together. We have a broad-based government that has brought all communities into our government.
Kuna mambo wenye wako hapo kaunti wanataka kuchukua hizi manyumba hizi. Tunataka tuwaambie waachie wamama wa soko hizi manyumba.
Hii market ikaanza saa hii. Hao mama hawajafanya biashara na watu wajui soko vizuri. Soko yenye naomba bwana governor 3 months coming hakuna revenue unapeana hapa wasikanyaga watu.
Obila sub-county Mabondo osechako timo pedha mar manyo jonjore moko ariyo manche nomonjo duka moro e chiro ma Jigo komanore kod magina kido mar AK47